it's day 2 for us, and we're just away into the animal kingdom. What is it you're looking forward to doing today, Matilda?
The strange
Navi River? Navi River will be fun. I think I'm looking forward to doing the river rapids. Seeing the Tree of Life, because we've got that statue at home. We had a false start with the river rapids because it's not open till 9, so we've just gone on safari. We're getting ready to go and see the animals.
Here in Europe, it's got beautiful yellow eyes, while the males have dark brown, almost black eyes.
Say hi.
Look over on the right hand
Say hi.
towards the back corner there. We see a beautiful okapi. Now, okapi are generally very shy, very reclusive animals, don't like to be seen too often. You might think they're related to the zebra because of those zebra-like stripes, but they're actually related to giraffes. They have a giraffe-like head shape, which is not really showing off at the moment, and a giraffe-like tongue. Now, looking in the bushes and the tree line, pretty much anywhere you're going to suspect animals to be hiding.
Who's hiding in here?
From us out here, regardless if they're large or whatnot. We got a black rhinoceros up on the left-hand side.
A black?
Black
Oh,
rhino
look.
actually
Look
very
here, look.
critically
The rhino.
There's only about 5,000
Hi.
of these beautiful creatures left in the entire world. This is actually a more medium-sized rhino. They're only about 1 to 3.
You see the birdies, Lydia?
They're more nocturnal animals, so they sleep throughout the day and are up on land at night in order to graze. We also got some pink-backed pelicans in this area, one of 8 species of pelicans left in the world. One of the smallest of the Maasai giraffe because of the jagged edges of those spots. That's a lot more space in between them, whereas reticulated giraffe, their spots are a bit more defined. Now you're really never going to see our giraffe laying down. If you do see that though, that's a good sign. It means that giraffes are feeling very comfortable in their homes, they're not feeling threatened. These guys don't even lay down to go to sleep. They'll sleep standing up. You need only about 20 minutes of sleep in total a day. Now we might find some predators out here. The trouble with that is most of our predators are crepuscular, most active in the twilight hours, so late evening to early morning. So we do see some very sleepy African painted dogs up on the left. Now the painted dog is one of the most efficient hunters in all of Africa, even better than an African lion pride. They have an 85% success rate. They hunt their prey by exhausting it, not chasing down. And that's stepping too
About
much for our
100%
giraffe.
success
Maybe
rate.
this guy there on the right hand
We're going to
side.
cover it
This is
out.
Twiga. Twiga actually is Swahili for giraffe. His name is actually Giraffe. But he's new to our tower of giraffe here.
Now, how do you feel, Matilda?
a bit scared.
Okay. We've watched the video though, haven't we?
Yeah.
And we think it's going to be fine.
Yeah, they're just a little.
We're going to get soaked though.
Yeah, we're just a
grape inside the grape launcher. And you are going to be the one to launch it. We're going to put this on the ground and actually turn around so everybody can see. You're going to face this way. Okay, perfect. So, Matilda, we're going to put this right here. We're going to count down from 3. We're going to go 3, 2, 1. And when we hit 1, I want you to jump on that as hard as you can, and we're going to see if we can hit the ceiling. Does that sound good? She's ready for this. Everybody, let's count her down from 3. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Close. It didn't work the first time SpaceX tried it either, guys, so we're going to do that again. Okay, so Matilda, that was a good job. You did it. I think this is an engineering problem on my fault. So here's what I want to do. This time, instead of jumping on it with 1 foot, just hit it as hard as you can. Go for it. Yes! Round of applause for Matilda. She was perfect. Thank you, sweetheart. You can have a seat.
That actually worked better than I thought it was going to.
I know it's pretty.
After a lovely morning at the Animal Kingdom, we're just going to Disney Springs to look at some shops. Matilda wants to go to the Croc shop, the Lego shop, and the Disney shop. And I'm sure Lydia would like to go there too. Mummy, anywhere you want to go?
Oh, the biggest Disney shop in the world takes my fancy.
I would like to go to the Croc shop.
We weren't huge fans of Disney Springs because we felt that the shops were quite expensive. And we would have preferred to go to the outlets. There wasn't a huge amount there for us, although we enjoyed the Lego shop and the Disney shop. Didn't we, Matilda?
Yeah.
What did you like about Disney Springs, or what were your thoughts?
Well, I really liked the Croc shop. There was actually really fluffy Crocs there. The Lego shop was quite good as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the C Team. Can I say bye?
You say bye.
Bye.